What's up, guys? Back again with another video. I am sitting in the garage with the 2022 Street Glide ST, and we got the front left and right turn signals installed, but when it came to the putting on the back turn signals for 2022, the back has the brake light in the middle, you know, unlike having it down to the bottom. It has a brake light in the middle with two turn signals, right? And those turn signals don't stay lit. They're not daytime running, or they're not constantly running. You know, they only come on when you turn on the turn signal. So my concern with that for the back is that these LED turn signals have a running daytime light that lights up in red around the ring, and then it has the actual turn signal blinks the middle section, right? So being that the back turn signals on the 2022 Street Glide doesn't stay lit, it's not daytime running, it has a amber bulb that only lights up when you turn on a turn signal or your four-way flashers. Would this light work? Because would it keep red ring around back rear turn signals, right? So come to find out, it's not going to work. I did get them to light up, but as you can see here, you know, it's not going to stay connected, and also the connectors did not fit for the back. When I tried to turn them on in the back, you know, the connectors don't line up correctly and it doesn't stay, so it doesn't actually lock in. So that tells me that the back turn signals that are the same as the front, you know, you have the front and you have the rear is not going to stay connected, you know, to the back. And that's the problem that I ran into when I was trying to put the back in. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to return the back turn signals, and then I'm probably going to have to install, you know, an aftermarket set in the back to see if I can get those to work. But far as the front, as you can see, the front looks fine. The front went on perfect and it works properly. When you're not using the turn signals, it has the daytime running lights on with the ring around the front in white, you know, which definitely matched the headlights, so I like that a lot. But when it came to the back, being that on the Street Glide you have the middle brake light and then you have the two turn signals that don't stay lit, they only come on when you turn on the blinker. This set of LED turn signals for the rear did not work because, you know, for that reason, I'm assuming maybe some type of kit that you can get to install on it to make them work. But as for me, those turn signals did not work for the back, and also not only that, they did not click into the socket as well. So those set of LEDs is not going to work at all for this bike. So that I might have to go with some aftermarket LEDs for the back. But being that this bike, like I said, for my preference, that, you know, if you pay over $30,000 for a motorcycle, it's much genuine parts that I can put on it that I can find out there for accessories, because Harley-Davidson do have a lot of accessories that you can, you know, make the bike your own in your own style and stuff like that. But when it came to the rear, I guess I will have to go with an aftermarket LED set to match the front, because the back is not going to work. All right, the back is not going to work for the 2022 Street Glide ST with this back setup. That LED turn signal that comes with the front, the matching set, is not going to work. So just keep that in mind. I didn't find any other videos out there when it came to the Street Glide, because before I bought that, I was looking online, looking on YouTube, looking everywhere to see if I could find out whether or not, being that those back lights don't stay lit, would that red ring stay lit, being that that's how the back is wired. So come to find out, I was right. That back is not going to work, and also the connector is not going to click in the inside either if you want to get the matching set to the front. The front did fit on the Street Glide, but the back did not. So just to give you guys an idea of why these don't fit, if you see the bulb that I took out of the bike, look at those stubs. They're straight across from each other. The one on the LED turn signal kind of like staggered, and these nubs are straight across from each other, and those are more staggered. So this probably had no chance in fitting. And like I said, they say they do not have a return policy or exchange for electrical, so I don't know if I'm going to be stuck with these. I would definitely find out. But as you can see, these bulbs do not fit, and the fact that these only come on when you turn on your turn signal, it had me wondering if these would even work to begin with, because these have a running light in the back. That red ring is running with the blinker in the middle, and these are not on at all, you know, while the bike is running. or in motion. They only come on when you turn on your turn signal. So stay tuned. I'm going to go to Harley Davidson. They did have what looks to be an aftermarket set for the back. I might try those and see if that works. At least I can get some LEDs back there on the turn signals in the rear instead of the amber bulbs, and we'll go from there. So hope you guys is enjoying the content. I really am having a great time with the 2022 Street Glide. So until next time, thank you guys for watching. See you in the next video.